So your iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. Now, to make sure that this is the problem, we can scroll down from the top right of the screen, and if it's stuck in headphone mode, you'll see headphones here on the sound symbol. So as you can see, the sound is a speaker for me because I'm no longer in headphone mode. But if yours is the headphones and you've got non-connected via Bluetooth or via wired if you're on an older device, that will mean that you are stuck in headphone mode. So to get out of this, what we need to do first of all is we need to go over to our settings. We then need to find Bluetooth, and then we just want to turn off our Bluetooth. And then once we turn off our Bluetooth, if this doesn't work, we can go and find our most recent connected device. So for me, it would be the WHCH720Ns. I will then click on the information tab, and then you want to click on forget this device. If this doesn't work, the last option that we have got is to restart or force restart our iPhone. So to restart, you just simply want to turn off and turn back on. But if you cannot do this for whatever reason, you need to force restart. So to do this, you need to do volume up, volume down, and lock button. And then you will then get this screen here. And then you want to keep the lock button held down until you see the Apple logo. And then once you see the Apple logo, that will mean that you have done that successfully, and then your device will then start to turn on. And essentially what will have happened is that it will have been fully reset, and this should fix your problem. And that's the one that did work for myself. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.